What they at do? 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 What they at? What they at?
I don't want to wait a whole game. Oh, never mind. Something ain't right here. I know it. Come on, right here. It's gonna take a lot to win this game. We got legends on the court.
Gee. Hello? Dude. What's up? Huh? Well, I couldn't hear y'all for a second.
Is that Lil Scooter?
Yeah, who is it?
Hey, that's Ray Ray.
What game you play?
We on 2K, bro.
Is it Ray Ray? I know who Ray Ray is. I know he's talking. Come on, boo. Oh, Ballers won. Let's go. Come on, get the ball. Yeah. Get him. Put these down.
Yeah, they got 2 legends and an all-star 3.
What level y'all on?
I'm a pro 2.
I just started. I did not have you come over here just to stop.
Man, I don't trust that later shit no more. Remember yesterday? It was later then. It's later now. Later. Come on, nigga.
Hey, come on now. Come on now. 2K cheese.
Let's go.
Hey, do y'all got Call of Duty? They into the game. Ray,
What's up?
you got Call of Duty?
Hell no.
What all games you got?
Man 15 and 2K 15.
Oh, why? I'm trying to figure out how you play 2-on-2 online on Madden. Oh my God, you know what I'm
Oh, that's dirty.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh! Take it to the line.
I'm flying. You can do it.
How you like that, bro? How you like that, bro? You like that hoop I did? That was me, bro. That was me.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, that ain't how you do it. That's what I'm
pressing
L2 and L2 and square, and they just passing the ball.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
I mean, it's kind of overrated for this call. You know what I'm talking about?
I press L2 and X, they passing the ball.
I just came to make sure you're not missing no payments.
I'm not calling up.
Not turning shit down.
Nope. Bang. Yeah, 2K15 don't lie.
Moment of silence. Nigga, we made it.
Man, 2K15 lie all the time.
I'm saying.
Wait, did they try to make this realistic? I hope they didn't try to make this game realistic.
You see your brother getting smashed, Tristan?
And she gotta come through the hotel and pop it off for me.
That boy said,
Then she gon' text her best friend like, girl, he got
that's
some good to get
Tristan?
money. Her friend hit her back like I know that already. That nigga's amazing.
Yeah.
Then I sent a message
Come
to both of
on,
their
they
asses like, nigga, we
cheating.
made it.
You
Hey,
just losing, bro.
What's up?
Dude, Abby. Send me a
What's
friend
your
request.
name?
It's the Ray Ray.
It's the Gay Gay.
Oh, any bucket, dude. Y'all
Yeah,
get
Instagram season.
Hold up, Gershon, hold up.
I'm on
finna go at Ray Ray.
My bad, my fault. My fault right there, Ray.
Is it any spaces?
No, Ray Ray 122899.
We made it.
What?
Yeah.
RAY. RAY.
They with me, just know that they with it and bout it.
Oh.
Yeah.
If I said it, I
1,
meant it. There's no way around
2,
it.
8,
OBO
9,
got
9.
some MP ratings next up while she wait go crazy. When Baka came home for the holidays, I was like, nigga, we made it.
You got that dude that's
All of
dunking.
those lawyer fees, nigga,
Yeah.
I paid it.
Oh no, my
Finally
fault.
get all of my loyalty, all of my
I
patience.
sent you.
But go
Did you get it?
You're like, man, I wouldn't trade it.
No, why you
I
do
would
that?
just
You
look
should
at you
have
dead
just
in
a
your
hero.
face and say, nigga, we made it.
Oh crap.
Swear that we made it.
Take him to the line.
I'm a king in Jamaica.
Take it to the
Stop
line.
fouling me.
Are you
Stop fouling me, bro. No, not on my part.
Damn.
Bro, this is like unfair, but it's still gonna be a block.
Resolution for New Year's is, nigga, we made it. You don't know how long I waited. I could have
Blair, what level you on?
Karma's amazing. I'm out in the Caymans.
I'm on level 25.
Hold up.
Okay, level 5, you lot.
Sometimes I question myself when I think about the pictures I paint.
Oh,
Then I pick up my brush and I
Oh,
sign in the
whoa.
bottom like, nigga, we made it.
Go team.
Hey,
I gotta do it again.
we made it. Nigga, we made
Oh,
it.
this is what I was doing for you.
Oh, you gotta step up, Blair.
Damn, we made it.
Oh my God.
This is what I was doing today. I got low.
Uh-uh.
I'm not even paying attention.
Oh.
Hold up, bro. Hold up.
I think that's why I suck, because I never paid attention.
Bro, you need to pay attention.
I'm up in Las Vegas.
Bro, it was good.
I never was supposed to have shit. Now my life is lavish.
No, I did not was trying to play with you. You were just playing. Bah.
In a Lambo cab. The Bentley 2 times I crashed.
Bah, oh.
Nigga, we made it. Look at them niggas' faces. Them niggas
My dude is
Hey y'all,
on
let's go play
call.
Madden 15.
say, nigga, we made it.
No, hey, actually, how much are y'all playing 2K? Great. Or we should run the court again. Y'all wanna go to the
Hey,
rec?
right.
What? Y'all wanna go to the rec? I'll do it after this game. I'm playing. Hey, let's play this game and do alley-oop. Cause I gotta get used to this alley-oop thing. Which one is Jay? Cause I can already tell you what I'm gonna witness. Just cut and then do some random alley-oops to get better at this.
Is your game glitching, Jerry?
There we go. He broke his ankles. He broke his ankles. I'm about to throw some alley-oops. There it is. Give me the ball back. I want to throw alley-oops. Cut. Alright, let me see. Hit it. Oh, snap. Yeah, okay. If you let me pass it in, you fake cut. Right, just right there. You fake cut, there it is. And just let me throw it. Let me see if I can throw it off of here. Oh, my bad. My fault. Oh, wait. Oh, wrong controls. Oh, I did the old 2K.
Not the glitching hard.
Alright, one more. I got you this time, Dad.
Jerry, what happened?
We straight.
I guess the connection been lost because yours glitching.
What you about to do?
Oh,
Good shot.
What you about to do?
After this, I'm going to my part.
Alright, you can go to my part.
We're putting some reps after I give you this. After I just go in with some VC.
They being pretty good.
oh, 2 seconds, center. No.
Oh, that dude big, man. He gonna pass that
Is it comeback season?
You know what I'm
No.
saying?
Oh, pop that lead. You know that's gonna go for it.
Is this buzzer beater? Buzzer beater?
Ah, see.
Oh, you didn't
You
see
saw
that.
it.
Ah, you suck.
You say I'm crazy. Oh,
Hey, Black. Go up. Oh.
my fault. My. Oh. Are you on the
Blair.
jacket? Yes.
Happy.
Oh wait, hold on. What do you? Oh, that's your thing.
Blair.
Wait. Quiz.
I asked.
You. I did not say yes, Ray. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Blair.
Comeback season in the way.
Hey. Let's go. All right, I'm feeling quit. Wait. I'm sorry. No. I'm next up.
I'm about to start the sharing, Scooter.
It's like every time, bro. That nigga just said,
Blair. Blair.
Say yeah. No, say yeah. I'm just like, yeah. Oh, so they can't see it.
What was that one dude doing? He looked so stupid.
When they do that little seizure type of dance.
Hey, look at the Cowboys. I think he just a beat right.
Blair, what Parker y'all on?
Just join our session. Be like friends that are online and gotta join our session.
Well, it's like
A lot of people
why are you
here.
trying to invite so many people and we can only play 3 people on one court?
Blair. Those are your friends. Those are your friends.
What? Okay, let's go to the rec center then. Those are my friends. Let's go to the rec center.
Nah, look. Now you want to make changes.
I've been trying to go to the rec center. You not just tell me, hey Dre, you and your friend, y'all want to go to the rec center.